Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick flip through of this journal I have here. It is Bluebird theme, and it is made from an old Reader's Digest book. So the closure is just a simple ribbon that I have ran under the signatures. So just did like that. I just put it under it so it wouldn't get lost. This is just a Bluebird cutout here, some little gears, and the back as well is just blank. The dimensions on this book is 7.5, 5.5, and the spine is 1.5. There are 4 sewn-in signatures. Lots of little beads, charms here on the end. So that little flamingo, row of beads, some more beads, this little turquoise charm, as well as this heart gear charm, and a tiny little bottle. So lots of random ones. These are attached from the signatures in the middle. So you could totally undo this ribbon here at the top and pull them to the bottom, whichever way you want. So, this book does have 94 pages. That includes front and back. A lot of the stuff inside is printables from Artie Mae's, Bountiful Heirlooms, Blogspot, and Showgirls Creations. The freebies there. So the front here, I just have a little pocket here with a little card with the birds and the roses. We have a tiny little postcard here. I put the stamp on. And a tag here. Lots of these pages are coffee dyed. Lots of designer pages in here as well. So, I'm going to flip through. We have a pocket here. The coffee dyed. We have a tag. You could totally write on the back of this. Dragonfly postcard. This envelope here that you can write on and put stuff inside as well. And then this little booklet you could totally write inside of as well. So lots of coffee dye pages, lots of room for you to journal. Little pocket here with some little postcards. More coffee dye, and here's the middle of one of the signatures, so the charm that's there, you could totally undo the ribbon and pull it to the bottom if you want. So just more coffee dye, blank pages for you to journal. Then we have another pocket here with the beautiful bird. You could write on the back. And then we have a beautiful envelope here with the birds. And the inside is designed with birds as well. I really like this one. Some more coffee dye pages. Designer pages here. The coffee dye pages are different throughout. Some are darker, some are lighter, grungier. So we have a pocket here with the little birds, like a little postcard. Another little bird tag, then a bird postcard here. So some more coffee dyed, another pocket here with like a little bird card, another journaling card, and a little tag. More coffee and designer pages. A little pocket here with another little postcard. This printable, I'm sure, was from Showgirls Creations. Is very beautiful. Oh, and then we have a large file folder here that you could put anything in. Very pretty. And I just have this paper clipped in here. So there's more pretty birds. And right here I just have a little envelope like that. More designer pages. Another little pocket here with a bird tag. This little booklet that you can write inside of. More coffee dime. Very pretty pages. A pocket here with a little teacup card. Another tag with the bird. This is a vintage playing card. Another pocket here with the dragonfly postcard. More birds. Very grungy coffee dime pages here. Another one of those bird cards. You could totally write on the back or glue a picture on. It was very pretty. Coffee dye, blank pages. Lots of room for you to write in here or add your own designs. We have a pocket here. Just has a bird tag. Little card with some birds. Blank on the back. And a random little postcard. Another pocket here with the postcard. And that is the back of the book. And again, if you're interested in purchasing this, it will be listed on eBay as well as Etsy. So if you're interested, be sure to check the links below. I have links directly to this book. Or if it has sold, there are also links to my eBay store and Etsy shop for like similar items. So again, thank you, and I hope you have a great day.